Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about how to install the granite flooring and its advantages and disadvantages, along with type of the granites available in the market. What is a granite? Granite is a flooring option. Granite tile flooring is the most mainstream decision for inside just as well as outside attributable for its potential benefits. It likewise gives a tasteful allure alongside being a study. On the off chance that you are considering having your tiles supplanted on the grounds that possibly you are revamping your home or simply need to have your tiles supplanted, granite deck must be the most ideal decision for you. Pursue further to know its benefits so you can choose whether it is reasonable for you or not. Remember to pursue the determinant of the chance that you are attempting to introduce the rock tiles, so you may not think twice about it later. This is the image of the granite tile flooring house. Okay. Types of granite tile flooring. There are many types of granite tiles available in the market. The availability, uniformity and cost of these tiles are different. Not only that, their durability, availability and weatherproofing character also different. Some of the type of the granite style flooring are listed below. Cashmere white granite. It is durable and has a glossy finish. The tiles is having a thickness of 2 to 3 centimeter are durable. Platinum white granite. Platinum white granite comes in a bright colors. Also they are economical. If you are in the tight budget, then these tiles may suit you. Its durability also high and also you get for options of polished, flamed or a leather finish. The available tile sizes are black galaxy granite. It is similar choice to absolute block and is now used for flooring as along the countertops. These tiles are sorted out without a line. See, this is the image of black galaxy granite top. Yellow granite. Crystal yellow granite comes in a bright color. It quite suitable for internal flooring option. It has evenly scattered crystal and is one of the most uniform tiles. It is available thickness of 1.8 centimeter to 2 centimeter. It can be used for outdoor usage also. This is the image of a yellow granite tile which is used at one of the staircases. Tan brown granite. Tan brown granite is another dark color option. These tiles also comes in a wide range of finishes such as flame, polish and leather finishing. See, this is the image of a tan brown granite fixed in the one of the staircases. Pink granite. Pink granite tiles are one of the most economical granite tiles. It also called zero maintenance granite because of its high durability. It does not even require a sealing, thus saving the cost of sealant. However, it is polished heavily. This is the image of a pink granite. Steel grey granite. These granite tiles are resemble silver pearl in the ocean and one of the most popular type of the granite tiles are used. See, this is the image of the steel granite tiles used in one of the kitchen water. Installation of the granite tiles. The installation procedure for the granite tiles as follows. Equipment required for the flooring is as follows. Plastic spacers, floor tiles, rubber mallet, wet saw, backer board, screw, notch trowel, grout sponge, grout float, penetrating grout sealer, paper trowel. The installation procedure of the granite is as follows. The floor should be cleaned and dried before the installation starts. The granite flooring used in a 90-degree corner tile. The floor tiles are laid with the help of a plastic spacer so that the alignment of the tiles can be maintained properly. The thin sheet is mixed as per the guidelines and the mix is then spread with a trowel in an even layer over the subfloor. The backer board is then placed down and screwed with the subfloor. Thus the surface is smoothed and the tiles are protected from the damages. The trowel is held in such a way the consistent ridges are getting formed. The granite tiles are pressed in the mortar and with a slight twisting motion, and then rubber mallet is used to tap the tiles. The tapping is done to ensure that entrapped airs are forced out. The grout is mixed in small patches used within 20 minutes of the preparation. The grout floor is used to apply the grout to fill the joints. Float is used to clean the excess grout from the joints. Then the grout is allowed to remain in the atmosphere for next 3 days. After a grout sealant is applied and the excess sealant is removed, the granite flooring work has been completed. See, this is the image of how the granite flooring has been fixed. This image will explain you how the granite has to be fixed. Granite floor are available in the following finishes. Smooth finish. Smooth finish granite tiles suited for indoor use. Polished tiles gives a smooth finish. Matte finish tiles are also available. They too are smooth. The possibility of slipping is avoided in this type of tiles. Besides this, the natural look of the tiles given the elegance to the entire interior of your house. Rough finish. Rough finish granite floor tiles suited for outdoor use. The outdoor tiles should be used resistant to slipping and they should be also be able to resist the action of rain, sun and frost. Outdoor tiles are mostly preferred in a grey color so that the stains are not visible. This is done because the non-slippery tiles have a tendency to accumulate dirt on the surfaces. Advantages of the tile flooring. First, the durability. The durability of the granite flooring is unquestionable. The proof of its durability lies in the fact that granite is preferred for a countertop material. It can resist the scratches of knives and the kink of the cookwares. If a proper sealer is used for the granite flooring can be lost for decades. If you are still not convinced, then the proof of the durability of the granite flooring can be found in the aqueducts of roads constructed by the Romans ages ago. The characteristic of the durability makes granite flooring an excellent and preferred material for outdoor flooring too. Low maintenance. Another perk of granite flooring is that requires little or no maintenance over its lifespan. Variations in patterns, colors and design. Dark granite is a popular choice out there when it comes to the countertops of a granite flooring. You can select the design such that it matches the interiors of your home. As it formed during the natural volcanic process, it is exposed to various degrees of temperature and varieties of minerals. This makes granite available in a number of forms: white, black, beige, brown, blue and red are the most popular colors of the granite tiles. Resistant to stains. Granite flooring used for your kitchen countertop. It also had a characteristic resistance to stains. The split material can be wiped off easily provided the tiles are sealed properly with the sealant and the material does not penetrate inside. Moisture resistant. Granite tiles are resistant to moisture, hence these tiles can be installed in a wet areas without a second thought. Hypoallergenic. Most of the natural stones are porous in which bacteria and other germs can form a breeding ground. However, granite stone is not a porous stone, even though the stone is available naturally. Therefore, hygiene can be maintained and you can be relieved, as the granite flooring will not cause you any allergic reaction. Asthma patient can rest relieved with such a flooring option. Granite floors also reduces the runny nose and a sore throat. Granite flooring improves indoor quality, which can reduce the risk of a cancer, heart problems, and respiratory tract disorder. Easy cleaning. To clean the granite on the regular basis, just wipe the wet cloth, it will be clean. If the stains are tough, then you can use a warm water or add a soap water to clean it. Ammonia or bleaching product containing solvents or caustic products should be avoided. Using such a products will remove the sealant and the flooring would be prone to strain. Enhance the value of the property. Granite stone can boost the value of a property. Most of the homeowners are looking for the granite finish, so this makes the increased value of your property. Disadvantages. These tiles are heavy. As the granite tiles are heavy, some of the floors may not support the weight. The weight of the granite stone can be predicted from the following data. A granite floor tile is 1 square feet and depth of 7.5 inches may weigh around 12.8 pounds, while a standard slab of granite of depth of 1.25 inches may weigh around 18 inches. It can be estimated that for a kitchen floor area of 300 square feet, the weight will have to bear will be around 38 to 40 pounds. So, if the construction of your home is quite old, think twice before going for a granite flooring. You can check the feasibility of the granite flooring for your home by a professional inspector. Difficult installation. The installation is somewhat tricky as it required skilled laborers for the same. One of the reasons for its difficult installation is its weights. Time consuming maintenance. Though it does not require maintenance, it is required when it consumes much time. Granite is so sensitive to chemicals and is very delicate. Hence, it is to be carried out carefully. Check the following before you buy. Dimension. The dimensions should be thoroughly checked. Tolerance should be 1 mm in length and breadth, while tolerance is 15% in thickness. The thickness of any granite tile should be at least 15 to 20 centimeter. The tile should have the same measurement when measured along with the diagonal. Uniformity. The granite tile should exhibit uniformity in color, thickness and texture. Characteristic. Granite tile should be hard and sound. Check the tiles pressing by stone against its surface. If the stone breaks off, then the tiles are being rejected. The tile should produce a clear ringing sound when stuck together. The polishing of the tile should be smooth and without any defect. The top layer of the tile should not have any cracks or holes into it. Sharp corners. The granite tile should possess sharp edges and the corners should not be broken. Color. The color of the tile should not fade away. This can be checked by rubbing a cloth dipped in a kerosene or a petrol. If the tiles leave a color on the cloth, then it indicates the color is artificial. Quality. The quality of the granite stone is indicated by porosity. If the tiles are porous, then it means the quality of the granite is not up to the mark. This can be checked dropping a few drops of lemon juice on its surface. This test can confirm two things. If the lemon juice is absorbed quickly, then it indicates the tiles are porous. On the other hand, if the lemon juice leaves a white stain on the surface, it indicates the presence of a huge amount of calcite. Granite tiles form the granite stone, an igneous rock. Granite stones are widely used and they can be used for indoor as well as outdoor purposes. Different types of granite floor tiles are available in the market. Also, do not forget to check the quality, dimension, color, etc. Granite tiles have become popular as they are quite durable and require low maintenances. Moreover, granite tiles are resistant to moisture and strain. Also, it is eco-friendly material. See, this is the image of a granite flooring tiles in a Kerala style. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. Images courtesy are from Google and notes courtesy from the various granite vendors. You can contact me on civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link is been provided as follows. Thank you for watching this presentation once again. Kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can give you further good, beautiful presentation. Thank you once again.